In front of me is OPPO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start after selecting Allow in all pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Now to access a list of your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines when recorder is off. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. In order to manage it, you can hit select at the top right corner. Click on your recording and manage all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!